Understanding score review in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, score review. This is a common term used in various contexts, especially in education and sports. Understanding it will help you better grasp English language nuances. So, let's dive in. Score review refers to the process of examining or re-evaluating a score. This score could be from an academic test, a sports game, or any scenario where performance is quantified. It's important because it ensures fairness and accuracy in the scoring process. In academics, score review often happens after exams or tests. For instance, if a student feels their test score doesn't reflect their performance, they might request a score review. This involves a detailed check of their answers to ensure correct marking. In sports, score review is crucial during games. It refers to the re-examination of points scored, often using video replays. This ensures that the points awarded during the game are accurate and fair. It's common in sports like football, basketball, and cricket. Understanding score review is important for two reasons. 1. It highlights the value of accuracy and fairness in competitive environments. 2. It shows the ongoing quest for perfection in human activities, whether in academics or sports. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and importance of score review. Remember, this phrase symbolizes our commitment to fairness and precision in all fields. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.